Welcome to the 51st episode of the Cajon Valley broadcast. I'm Dr. Rozich, Assistant Principal here at the magnificent Lexington Elementary.
I'm Lexie Clemens, an instructional coach here at Lexington, where our leopards are leaping into their future.
We hope everyone had a wonderful Memorial Day. We believe it is very important to take time to honor those who made the ultimate sacrifice for our country. We love our veterans too.
And before we dive into today's updates, here are a few important reminders.
First, online re-enrollment must be completed by Friday, June 7th. You can do this on your computer or your student's Chromebook. Visit parentportal.cajonvalley.net and click on re-enrollment/emergency info in the upper right-hand corner. If you need assistance, scan this QR code for a quick instructional video or visit the district office Monday through Friday from 9 to 11 a.m. or 1 to 3 p.m.
Secondly, this is the last week for the Gallup Parent Poll. Here in Cajon Valley, we really value your opinion. So if you haven't already, please check your inbox for an email from Gallup with the subject Cajon Valley USD Parent Engagement Survey.
Completing this short survey will give us valuable insights on how to serve you and your family better.
On May 11th, Tedx El Cajon 2024 celebrated its 10th anniversary with the theme In Our Era. 23 speakers and 6 MCs from across the country took the stage.
Let's watch the recap video.
We're here at the Magnolia for our 10th annual TEDxKidsElCajon. Cajon. Our theme this year is In Our Era. So we're looking actually at our past, present, and future eras of TEDxKidsElCajon. Cajon. We have amazing TED Talks inside from our student speakers from all around El Cajon. And then we have our amazing space outside for families and community to enjoy, fun interactive booths, performers. So it's just gonna be a great fun day for our community to come together and support our students.
Through my TEDx Club, I got to watch many TED Talks and began to think how I can change the world. If you listen to a TED Talk or give a TED Talk, it just doesn't change your community, but also changes yourself. It will help you and others to be positive.
You know, I think it's a good thing that people are able to support the kids who have taken it upon themselves, to show us, we the grown-ups, that, they can also stand on their own 2 feet and also show us how things are done and the fact that they also have a voice. As a dad, I feel super proud for the fact that my son was able to, get on stage and share his thoughts with several other kids all around, and not just my son. I feel super proud that, several other kids as well are also able to shape and influence what exactly happens within the society.
If you're being yourself, you're helping yourself and other people because you are being honest about who you are. And remember, if you want more friends, just be yourself.
I felt like a little bit happy and because I get to help other people learn something they didn't know, to be confident and creative when you're making something.
I want to motivate, inspire, and entertain, helping to make the internet a positive and enjoyable place for everyone.
I'm happy that I get to share my idea with others, especially my classmates, my teachers, and worldwide. It makes me have more positive thoughts, and I think it's an amazing thing to do.
I want to inform others about how this affects people to this day, and now I'm able to. So if you ever get the opportunity to talk about your struggles with mental illness, take it.
I was at TED Vancouver about 3 weeks ago, and in contrast of this, what these kids are learning is so important because everybody's watching this. Kids from all over the world are watching and being inspired, and not just the kids, the adults, because the adults are learning from the kids. These kids are spot on, and it warms my heart. It gives me inspiration for the rest of the world. Hands off to the educators, the kids, the moms, the dads, all the aunts and uncles and everybody who's raising these phenomenal kids. It takes a village, and you can see that here. You can see it, and it's beautiful.
So, are you ready for our future?
Here at Lexington, we are so proud of Zilas, Sana, Rafa, and Olivia for their performances.
Yes, Lexington really represented this year at TEDx. Not only did we have our amazing presenters, but we had artwork, our folklorico dancers, and our 5th graders did a musical number. It was so fun to see so many staff members and students there. I brought my son. It was a blast.
Last week, our Child Nutrition Department hosted the first ever Spring Food Showcase. It was a fantastic event where over 150 parents, staff, and students toured the central kitchen, tasted various products, and learned about our student meal patterns. We, in fact, were thrilled right here at Lexington to host the Cajon Valley Fresh Fruit Snack Cart. It had strawberries that were the size of your head. They were so yummy, and we were so thankful to have Child Nutrition here with us in our after-school program.
Yum. Thank you, Child Nutrition, for your service. Remember, come to school early every day for a delicious and nutritious breakfast to start your day right.
Here in Cajon Valley, we also had a talent show at Avocado Elementary. The talent on display was incredible, so we've decided to share a performance by 2 kindergarten girls.
Wow, Gators, you guac. Lastly, a few weeks ago, our superintendent, Dr. David Miyashiro, shared some important updates in a video. If you haven't seen it yet, the link is available at the end of this broadcast.
Thanks for watching and have a great last month of school. Happy almost summer.
Happy almost summer.